So I just got the packages and let's unbox them, I guess. I've been waiting for these for so long. Tapos mapuputol ko yung box na. Tito Miel, check na paano makit-check yung babo. Ito na. Oh! Look at this. ito. Kaya tinawag siya shotgun mic. Kasi mukha siya shotgun. Next is this guy. Ayan. It's wrapped with bubble wrap, by the way. This is the other one. These are microphones by BOYA. They did not send me these things. I bought them with my own money, believe it or not. By the way, this costs 1,000 pesos. 1,076, something like that. Pakicheck nga kung nakikita sa top down, sa overhead, sa taas. Please, pakicheck. This one. Here's what comes in the box, I guess. Ayan. So we have the microphone itself, some accessories, some BOYA stickers, which I'm probably never gonna use, and instruction manuals and warranty. Kaso it's from Shenzhen, so I don't know how well it's gonna apply in here. Yung mount niya, yung shock mount niya, connecting cable, so 3.5mm TRRS. I think TRRS to kasi marami siyang rings. Tapos ito yung coiled one para sa pang mas mahabang connections. Ito for shorter connections and this one for the longer connections. Silica gel that we should do not eat, sabi nga. We also have BOYA, ano to? Qualified certificate. Sure, whatever, man. We have a carrying case, faux leather carrying case. We have the dead cat windshield, and then just pull it out. Yeah, so we have the microphone itself. It feels hefty, no? Parang maganda yung build. This is metal. Wow. Kala ko plastic lang. That's a pleasant surprise. Merong sa likod, saksakan. So ito yung saksakan. This is the this is how you connect it. This is how you mount it, and yan. Diba? Ayos. Paki-check sa overhead kung okay to. Next one, we have the BOYA M1 lavalier microphone. Ay, so ito nasa carrying case siya lahat. Bigat din Nakakagulat, na-expect ko plastic lahat, pero metal build pala sa instruction manual. More stickers. The same warranty card thing yata. No? Stickers. The mic itself. Oh, and there's some accessories. Yung leather, faux leather case. Buksan natin yung accessories para mas makita yung usual form niya. So in the accessories we have we have a battery to operate the thing. We have a foam windshield filter thing. We have yung 3.5 to, I wanna say 1/4 inch, pero I'm not sure kung yung nito, yung measurement niya, pero it's an adapter if you wanna use a bigger recorder, if you wanna plug it in somewhere, and a clip para malagay mo siya sa damit. So, yeah. Haba ng cable. What the heck? Haba nito. Tignan nga natin. 6-meter cable. Ay, meron ding included clip yung Yung, grabe, metal din siya, Paki-check overhead. Pakitabi dyan. Mabilis. Pakitabi dyan lahat. Sabi mo na.